Hi everyone, it's Leilani in Russia here, and I'm in Yekaterinburg, but I'm out of sleep, out of sorts, out of energy, and I'm having an excellent plan to take a nap right now. And then later I'm gonna tell you, finally, why I'm here, show you around, show you what's happening, and so on. Hold on. Good morning! Almost 5 a.m. That's better. I'm coming to the railway station. The main reason why I came to Yekaterinburg was participating in Dance Ural Fest. I found a coffee shop, Simple Coffee, near the school and decided to have a breakfast there. I was completely out of energy and needed to recharge my batteries with something delicious. A video about the festival is coming in June. Stay tuned. And here I'm gonna show you only a few shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, I'm a kind of a beginner in dancing, especially in bachata. So after 3 master classes, which were pretty difficult for me, I definitely needed some rest, some food. So I went to Engels and then went to my hotel. I'm at the Green Park Hotel. Hi. Here's my room. Red suitcase. Red blanket. Red chair. Pretty nice. What about the view? Wow, I love it. Even though taking a nap for an hour and a half wasn't enough, I decided to go and watch the bachata competition Jack and Jill, categories beginners and intermediate. After that, I wanted to try some local beer, and that was good. Early morning hotel breakfast, and then back to school, another masterclass. You know I'm Taurus, so study, study, but never forget about lunch. So, as far as I'm too lazy to take a curler with me, I'm doing this. My mama taught me that, and I really love that. The only thing you need is band, and that's it. This is how you curl your hair easily, and the result is always good. I put some foam for making curly hair. We'll see how it's working. And I really love it because you can make it really different. You can put all the hair inside, you can leave it like this, leave it like this, and so on. So, yeah, I think about a few minutes, and it's gonna be done. Ta-da! That's it. My hair is done. I think I'm gonna go and watch a competition with this hairstyle, and then a few minutes before the party I'm gonna let my hair down and enjoy my incredibly curly hair. See you there.
Wilven, baby.
Dices que no puedo, dices que te quiero, que soy mujer, me domina el alcohol. Si después sincero, que más tengo miedo, pero aquí me digo que está hablando de amor. Sabes que eres por ti, y no sabe que lo amo por ti. Que me digo que está poniendo por mí, que yo sé no llego y no lo soy por ti.
Late dinner at Norra in beautiful Greenwich at night on the way to the hotel, the most ready for a glitter party of day number 2. Ready to shine. I didn't film anything at all because I was dancing at the party that night, and came back to the hotel at about 4 or even 5 a.m. Good afternoon from Yekaterinburg. As you can see, the weather's excellent. I'm looking amazing. And I'm looking for red Latino shoes because I decided that I need red or nothing. I still didn't succeed because somehow there are no pairs of red shoes for dancing bachata in 2 top shoe stores for dancers. So I think this is my main goal for the day. And I'm gonna show you around because that's the first day when I have some time for walking. Somewhere downtown looking for red shadow shoes. I am so happy. I got the hoodie I wanted so much. The day gets better. That day the weather was nasty. So I was so happy to find a black corner and stay there, have a cup of espresso and a piece of chocolate. Highly recommend Green Park Hotel because I am very, very satisfied with the level of service, with food, with the room, with everything. And the window view was excellent. The last party, a wake party right now, and then on a train. Now I'm running. But I think I'm on time.